What's up, everybody? I am Amanda Sapp, and I am bringing you the Houston 100, brought to you by the Minority Report. And today I get to talk to an accountant. She is with TNR Accounting and Management. Nannette Ray, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm excited to be here.
We're glad to have you here today. And you know what? I just want to get right down to it. Please tell us the difference between an accountant and a tax preparer, because I know people get that confused sometimes, and I know they're bombarding you with questions. They're trying to get all of their paperwork together, trying to prepare for, April. So tell us a little bit about TNR Accounting and Management.
Well, we do provide tax preparation,
okay.
But a lot of what we do is with small business owners.
Very good. Okay.
And we help translate their financial numbers into their business story. And so a lot of people don't realize that when bankers, investors look at your financial statements, it tells a story about your business. And so we help, especially minority business owners, translate that so that they understand how their business is doing.
This is good stuff. I'm sure that, again, people are coming at you left and right with all these different questions. What are some tips that you can give people to prepare themselves for this transition?
Well, first of all, if you're looking at starting a business, of course, capital is always important. You know, people need to have the money. I would advise against using credit cards because that can mess up your credit. But you can bootstrap it, and bootstrap is what that means. You can still work your full-time job and do it on the side. So I think the young people call it a side hustle.
Okay, yeah, we do call it that.
So, people at my age call it bootstrapping, but basically it's the side hustle.
Start saying that.
It's a side hustle.
Okay.
So you can still work your full-time job, and then you can start your business off slowly.
Very good. Give us a little history about TNR Accounting and Management. You didn't just wake up one day and say, hey, I'm going to start a firm. What was that process like for you?
Well, actually, my husband and I are serial entrepreneurs.
Okay.
So we've owned childcare centers, medical software business, real estate investment. And so we really started the firm back in 2008 to provide financial services and management consulting for those businesses. So instead of us having to take a salary, we would just charge those businesses a fee. So it was not our intention to actually start having external customers. But then we sold several of the businesses in 2014, decided we were going to retire. That didn't work out too. We got kind of bored.
Serial entrepreneurs never really retire.
No, we really don't. We really don't. So we were still doing the business, helping friends, and so we relaunched the business in 2018. Since then, we've seen phenomenal growth. We were recognized this year by the Greater Houston Black Chamber of Commerce.
Hey, okay, my elbow, you right there.
As a Pinnacle finalist.
Very good.
But we also recently were awarded the E10 Award by the Houston Minority Supplier Diversity Council.
Very good.
So we've been really growing fast, and we're excited about it.
Did you think that when you first started your business that now you'd be sitting here with us at the Houston 100 and being recognized with all of these awards and things like that? What were your thoughts between now and then? How have they changed, and what are some things that you all are doing to evolve? I know I probably gave you a lot of questions just there.
No, that was good. We really like helping people. This is not a business for us, it's a ministry. And like so, it really wasn't something that we thought that we would do to really get a whole lot of recognition. We're really big about helping people, and that's what it was about for us. So our strategy moving forward, we are actually planning on continuing to grow. We're going to add an auditing piece to the business probably in 2021.
Okay.
And we would really like to have another CPA come on board and take the tax preparation piece to another level. So
I heard that they're hiring.
Yeah, we are hiring.
And to speak to that really quickly, again, sometimes people will be like, okay, well, you are an accountant, then just do my taxes. Please tell us the difference between an accountant and a tax preparer.
A tax preparer, basically, there's rules related to preparing tax returns. And so everybody should be following the rules. And so regardless of who does your tax return, it should end up being the same if they're following the rules. An accountant, on the other hand, is more about helping you analyze your business to make better, sound business decisions.
Very good. Very good. This is good stuff. Now, also, really quickly, I want you to tell us about some amazing feats that you guys have recently done. A lot of people are going through the pandemic. A lot of people were struggling at some point, but you found a way to help these people unstruggle. Is that a word? We're going to find out.
Yeah,
What is it? Tell the people what you all have done through your company to help others during this time of need in the pandemic?
Well, we're really excited and proud of the fact that when the pandemic happened, we really pivoted and really started focusing on our clients.
Okay.
And so we called each one of them to ask, did they plan to apply for the loans? If not, we helped them.
Okay.
And so we have been able to help secure for our clients close to $1 million in PPP and EIDL loans.
Very good. Legally.
Legally.
Hey, that's the part we're talking about. Very good.
Thank you.
One more up. Okay, elbow bump. Very
Because like I
good.
said, we're all about helping people.
Obviously.
And this is more of a ministry for us, we think.
Help us out by giving us your contact information and how we can find you so that other people can get this good news, good information, good things, information from you guys.
Well, we're at TNRaccounting.com. Our phone number is 713-489-4411. We're also on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and our email is info@TNRaccounting.com.
Hey guys, look, I'm Amanda Sapp. We just spoke to Nannette Ray of TNR Accounting and Management. This is the Houston 100 brought to you by the Minority Report. We're out.